Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the story of Saturn. Saturn is a system for writing fast by using special symbols in place of letters, words and phrases. Other names used for this system are stenography, which means little or narrow writing, tachography or quick writing, and brachography or short writing. Shorthand helps a person to write much more quickly than when words or sentences are written by longhand. For this reason, it is now widely used by businessmen, industrialists, administrators, heads all over the world. The first person in history who tried to write using symbols was the Greek historian Xenophon. He used ancient Greek symbols while writing the memories of his teacher Socrates. We also know that Marcus Tullius Tiro of an ancient Rome was the inventor of the Latin Saturn in 63 BC. He brought out a dictionary of Saturn to help other writers. Tyro's system was taught in Roman school and used to record official speeches of orators and churchmen for more than 1,000 years. The English clergyman Timothy Bright was the first to patent the system of Saturn in 1588. More than a dozen systems followed this in quick succession. Of them, the most important were the system introduced in 1602 by stenographer John Wilson, who is called the father of Saturn. The system of writer Thomas Sultan in 1626, the system of writer William Mason in 1672, and the 1786 system of stenographer Samuel Taylor. The early Saturn system used in the 18th and 19th centuries were more or less like a version of John Willis. This system used half circle and straight line and were based on the alphabet. During the Industrial Revolution from about 1760, which brought about social and economic change, a large number of Saturn writers or stenographers were trained to take down letters and notes quickly in the world of business. William Mason's system was, however, more difficult to learn, although it was much faster. It was used by English court halls and parliament. During the next 100 years, Saturn was modified. Different types of Saturn systems were introduced, but the system developed by English stenographer Samuel Taylor in 1786 was taken up for use all over Europe in various languages. The system of German Franz Xaver Gabelsberger introduced in 1834 was put to use, particularly in Italy. In 1837, Sir Isaac Pitman, a young English educator and spelling reformer, developed improved system of Saturn based on language sounds. Soon the Pitman system of phonetic Saturn expounded in stenographic sound and 1836 became very popular. After its introduction in America in 1852, it was being used by over 97% of Saturn writers by 1889. Even today, it remains the most widely used system in the world. It has been adapted for use in over 15 other languages, including Arabic and Hindi. Irishman John Robert Gregg developed a system of Saturn in 1888. This system used circles, hooks and loops and was used widely in America in 1893. It was taught in American schools and adapted for use in Thai, Hebrew and Chinese languages. Mary Alderson Chandler Atherton was the first to introduce to teaching of Saturn in public school. She developed her own system and wrote a textbook that Chandler Practical Saturn. She also set up an Institute of Saturn and Typewriting at Boston and Massachusetts in 1883. American educator Emma Dearborn introduced a speed writing pattern in 1924. In this system, sounds and words are written as alphabets. It can be very easily learned and now become popular. In 20th century, various machines like stenograph and stenotype were made and used for the first time to write at the same speed of speech. With the use of these machines, over 200 words per minute can be written. Nowadays, stenotype machines are used often to record speeches, especially courts and conferences. Instead of stenographers, the first stenotype machine was invented by Bardstown, Ireland, an American stenographer and court reporter in 1916. Thank you for watching.